As you could see on the photos, some packages with new parts for my BMW arrived. And today I want to add them to my motorbike to get better prepared for the big trip to Russia and Kazakhstan. And yeah, I'm gonna show you what I fixed to the bike. First thing is a BMW light protector. Very good quality. It was not too expensive, was an offer, a good offer. And yeah, I assembled a new motor protection. It's a small one, it's a light one. It only has to protect for stones flying up from the front wheel to the oil filter or to the lower part of the exhaust. So it's better protection for them, that they may not be damaged, but it's not for really heavy off-road use, like setting up on rocks and so on. For this it's not made, and it's not the area I want to go later. Yeah, and I reassembled the main stand for the case of having a flat tire in Kazakhstan or Russia. I think a main stand might be quite a good idea. And I disassembled these rubber things up here that I have better contact to the motorbike, especially when riding standing up. Yeah. The last thing I assembled today is this small rack for the back. Rack for the back. I want to have special things always close to me and getting access quickly to them, like the extra fuel can and also the first aid kit. I had to help at an accident some time ago, and it was really hard work to get the first aid kit out of here, where it is now, below the seat. It was really not so quick as I would wish to have had it. Okay. All the things I assembled are small and light because I want to keep the machine as light as possible. The extra bags I assembled last time are not for extra luggage, but they are for distributing the luggage I have better on the motorbike, on more places. Yeah, okay. I think that was it for today. I hope it will all work out with the visa for Russia, and wish me luck. Bye bye. In the next video we will find out how to assemble these electric parts, like extra lights, LED lights, and all the electricity for my positioning system. We'll have a look if I will make it to assemble, but I'm looking forward to it. Next video, see you then.